What's up guys? I'm gonna do 50 trick shots in the next 5 minutes. They're gonna gradually go from easiest to most difficult, so make sure you watch till the end to see what we've got for you. I guess we better get to it.
Closer.
Let's go.
I'm trying out some new locations for this video to kind of shake it up, keep it more visually interesting. Boo.
There's this thingy on a hook right here, and I might as well do a trick shot with it. Yes!
You got it!
I don't know how that's helpful in any way, but it was fun.
Closer.
Yes! Hey!
Roll the replay. I think I just got it.
Yes! It took a lot longer than I was expecting. Let's go!
What?
Yes! Finally!
Closer.
Yes! Let's go!
It's not even a very good bullseye, but at this point, I'll take it.
Oh, it's a ringer! Closer.
Yes! Beautiful. Just wanted to show off the new green screen, so go into the next scene. Woo! Yes!
Frisbee time, yes, you heard me right. This time, to step it up, I'm throwing it around back there, around the entire house.
Closer.
Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, leave a like. Click right here for another trick shot video. Music, shorts, subscribe. See you later.